Hello everyone, welcome to Quick and Easy Cooking. I was just recently at a Dollar Tree and I came across a can of baked beans that says Yellowstone, and I'm such a fan of the series. I had to make this. Anyways, I thought you guys would absolutely love this. We're going to call this recipe Beanie Weenie. Everyone loves baked beans with hot dogs. Now the ingredients that you're going to use in this is hot dogs, our can of baked beans, and also some onion. Okay everyone, we're going to saute these onions. I got about a tablespoon and a half, almost 2 tablespoons in here. We're just going to saute them. Okay everyone, I used about 3 hot dogs in this. Anyways, we're going to simmer this for about 25-30 minutes. Okay everyone, this is our Beanie Weenie, and we've got it with some saltines. I want to thank everybody for watching our video today. Please click the subscribe button and also the notification bell, so that way every time I come on, you know. And again, thank you for watching. Take care. See you in the next video. Have a great week. Bye-bye.